Hi guys, today I would like to show you guys a very simple recipe. Potato biscuit. It's really a good snack for party, picnic, and I believe that kids really love it. Here we have 40 gram vegetable oil, 110 gram all-purpose flour, 40 gram cornstarch, 1 gram baking soda, 2 gram salt, and of course 80 gram mashed potato. Then we strain all the dry ingredients including all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking soda, and salt into a large bowl. Then we mix it together to make sure that all the ingredients combine. Add vegetable oil. Mix together. Then add mashed potato. Then mix well until everything combines. Then we add a little bit water to make it moist. At this step, I better use hand. Then we draw the dough. Then we use small mold to cut the dough. You can use any shape, like here I'm using letter shape, or you can use animal shape, heart shape, star shape, anything that you want. When I watch the video again, I find that we can't see the mold that I was using, so I just insert the picture here and you guys can see the letter mold that I used in the red color circle. Now I make the heart shape. Use the toothpick to prune. Then we bake in preheat oven at 170 Celsius in 15 to 20 minutes. Thank you for watching my video. If you guys have any feedback or inquiry, please comment below and subscribe above to update my new videos.